In the first part of this video, we came to our local garden center to buy evergreens. Do watch when you get chance. Welcome to MG Factor. Our garden in winter looks dry as we have no evergreens. So spring is the best time of the year to plant as we get enough rain and the roots will be established by fall. Everything loaded, now let's go and plant them. In most of the local garden center across the country, you get some kind of a landscape which has been beautifully planned. So you can just go explore and get some ideas for your garden as well. Always do a dry run. So you can place them as you please so that you can visualize how the plant will look once they grow. So water your new plants almost every alternate days because that's the key. The roots are not developed as of now, so they will need some external assistance. Hope you enjoyed the video and found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Do like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.